Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a Winter Park personal injury attorney. There was a fairly significant accident in downtown Orlando last weekend, and I thought there were some things about the story that might be instructive to share with people in our audience about Florida car accidents and some of the issues that surround car accidents. So in this accident, apparently an individual was traveling down Highway 50 or Colonial Drive, for those of you that live in Orlando, near Shine Avenue, and apparently this car left the road, ended up crashing into a pedestrian and then into a building. The driver of the car and the pedestrian were both very seriously injured, and the building obviously was damaged as well. A couple things about the accident that I thought were worth sharing. First, a lot of the eyewitnesses at the scene indicated that they thought maybe the driver had had some sort of emergency medical condition, and that's what caused the driver to leave the road and hit the pedestrian and hit the building. In a typical situation, if a person has an emergency medical condition, it really is, if it comes out of the blue and there's no foreseeability to it at all, then that person typically cannot be held responsible for negligently causing the accident. If it's something that they've never had a problem with, then they can't really be held liable for something that they have no control over. However, many times when we've been involved with accidents with medical conditions in the past, they involve medical conditions that people know about before they get behind the wheel of a car. For instance, they know that they've had fainting issues over the past few months, or they know that they're taking medication that might cause them to faint or pass out, or fall asleep at the wheel or something like that. In a situation like that, it's not really an emergency medical condition, but it is a medical condition that they have some control over and some knowledge about. And in those situations, the driver can be held liable. Now, I don't have any idea what the situation is in this Colonial Drive accident. I'm just using it as an instructional point. The other thing that I thought maybe people wouldn't or might not know about the accident was the pedestrian. The pedestrian was hit by a car. So even though the pedestrian clearly wasn't in a car, him or herself, they still might have access to PIP, or Personal Injury Protection, PIP benefits. And a lot of people don't know about that, so I thought that would be worthy of talking about as well. If you have any questions regarding a Florida car accident, whether the person says that they have a medical condition, that's what caused the accident, or not, or if you're a pedestrian who's been hit by a car in Florida, and you have any questions at all about it, please call me or my law partner Robert Hemphill at 407-254-4901, or visit our website, and there you can find a couple of free book downloads that might give you some information that would be helpful to you in a situation like that.